Darla. All right, so I'm here to announce another channel's giveaway. It is a lovely Priscilla from Distinctive Crochet, and she's hosting a giveaway called 50 for You, 50 for Me. The link is below for her video announcing her giveaway. So how do you enter? You make a comment below my video. Say whatever you want, just be nice. Then you go over to Distinctive Crochet's video in the link that I provide below, and you also enter there. Each channel that's participating in promoting her giveaway will draw a name from their video on August 19th. We will send that name to her, and she will put all the names in a pot, and she will make the final drawing. There will be one winner only. Okay, each channel that participates in promoting her giveaway will not be offering a prize as per her rules. Distinctive Crochet is solely responsible for the prize. All right, so what is the prize? The prize is a $50 Amazon digital e-card. So you must be able to receive this e-card in your email box, and you must be able to know how to get it and how to use it, etc. It's probably very simple. If you have any questions regarding that, please ask Priscilla. As well, each channel that participates in promoting her giveaway will also be entered into a separate giveaway for a $50 Amazon e-card. Isn't that sweet of her? So the rules are listed below, and I encourage you to read them. And if you have any questions at all regarding this giveaway, please direct them to Priscilla. This is what she has asked, and it's her giveaway, so it makes sense. All right. So I wish you all the best, everyone, and make sure you comment below so that you can be entered. Make sure you comment on her video that I've linked below. She explains everything in her video. Make sure you watch it right to the end, because she may ask you to say a particular thing in her comments to be entered. Yeah, so let's have fun with this. I am really, really excited. I just love being on YouTube, period. All right, you guys take care, and love you all. All right, I wish you all the best. All right, bye-bye.